Hey guys, Justin back with another video. I wanted to make a quick statement about Roe versus Wade, the important abortion decision. It's kind of reared its head again lately in political news with the announcement of the retirement of the Supreme Court Justice Kennedy at the end of next month. I believe it's July 31st. So what Trump is trying to do, and I read an opinion piece that things are already in place, he wants to appoint another conservative judge to the Supreme Court, which will heavily weight it towards conservative ideas and opinions on legal matters. And what's already in play is a reversal of the Roe versus Wade decision, which guaranteed abortion rights to women across this country, which gave women the right to decide for themselves what to do with their reproductive rights. So I read that states like Tennessee, Mississippi, and a few ultra-conservative states are kind of gearing up for this fight. They are on the side of Trump's Supreme Court appointee because they know if they can move that needle point, Trump is less important, because the decisions that the Supreme Court finally has to decide really determine the law of the land. I apologize for the shaking there. There's less appellate opportunity with the Supreme Court versus some of the overarching powers that the presidency has. So if you are inundated with a lot of news, the Supreme Court pick by Donald Trump, and then the litigation or the law cases that they decide to bring back up and litigate, that's where the fight is today in Washington. And if you're fatigued with Trump and you're fatigued with a lot of the nothing that's going on in Washington, make sure that you're supporting grassroots Democratic campaigns and Democratic candidates. Make sure that we win the House back during the midterm elections this fall, so that we can play a part in fighting back against Donald Trump and his Supreme Court pick. That's really important to keep in mind with everything that's moving around Washington, D.C. nowadays. If you have any questions for me about this, I have a lot of thoughts that I can share. If you need candidates to vote for in your district, I can provide resources and information for that. But basically, keep your eye on the ball, keep your head in the fight. The Roe versus Wade decision could be a winning issue for both Democrats and Republicans this fall. So depending on where you're at and what district you're in, that decision will be used for political campaigns. So make sure that you're well versed about the law, where you stand, and the people that support keeping Roe versus Wade as the law of the land. Thanks so much for your time. My name is Justin. Please give this video a like. Please subscribe to my new channel. There'll be a lot more content like this. Have a good one.